Welcome back, Techies, and this is Dr. Victoria, Dr. Vicky, and I'm going to be walking you through how to set a budget on your AWS account. This is TechiesReign, and if you need any support with your company, web services, you need a website, you need training, you need any form of training in the tech ecosystem, you can reach out to us and we'll guide you. So today we're going to be going through how to set budget on your AWS account. The reason why you need to set budget is not far-fetched, because you don't want at the end of the month to get 1,800 bill in your email. Yes, it can happen if you leave your instances running for so long, for a whole month or so. Some people will be charged like 400, 500, 600, depending on what services they are accessing. So it is good for you to set up a budget so that you can receive notifications as your bill is going up. Let's go through it let's just go through it. It's easier to show you than to be talking about it really. So if you're a registered client, just go to Amazon Web Services, sign in if you already have an account, and if you don't have an account, you can create one. So when you sign in, the first thing you check is budgets. Okay, so billing and cost management, budgets. So just pick on budgets, and when you come to this page where you can see the create budget icon, click on that, create budget. So you can use a template if you already have one, or you customize your own. Please just customize. Yes. So budget creation limited, because Cost Explorer is not enabled for this account. AWS Budget does not have access to your billing data. This limits the creation of some budget type and configuration option. No problem. So use a template, customize your budget. Cost budget recommended. So just go to the next. So set your budget. What do you want your budget to be? How to set up your budget? Step 1, enter your budget detail. Step 2, set budget amount. So let's go through that. What should be my budget detail? Let's say I want AWS to charge nothing more than £30 a month, 30, or let's say 40 pound a month. Set budget amount. Is it going to be monthly? Is it going to be quarterly? Let's say monthly. Recurring budget, expiring budget. It should be recurring. Budget should know what type, recurring. So let me reduce that really. Let's say 20. For the purpose of this training, I'm going to be setting my budget to 20 pounds per month. So it's going to be monthly, it's going to be recurring, and starting from this May 2024. So budget method can be fixed, it can be planned, it can be auto adjusted. So let's pick fixed so that there's no shocking or any unnecessary challenge. Enter your budget amount. Budgeted amount is 20, isn't it? How much did we put over there? 20. Yes. So budget scope, all AWS services, filter specific AWS cost. Let's just put all services. Yes. Track my cost. Yes. Aggregate cost, unblended cost. Just put unblended cost. Upfront reservation, all these ones, just leave them alone. So what can we do here? Add new tag. Okay, that's if you have a specific service that you are targeting. So let's go next. How budget alert works. Do I want budget alert? Yes, I want budget alert. I want to know where my money is going. So your budget amount is $20. So let's add threshold. So threshold is a way of monitoring how my bill is going. Say my bill is 20%, I've spent 20% of my money, I want notification. I've spent 50% of my money, I want notification. I have spent 80% of my money, I want notification, so that I can either increase or reduce my activities on the platform depending on how much I am looking at spending. The money can increase more than the budget amount that I put in there, depending on how active I am, or if I have projects to complete and they require AWS services. So it will be good to be updated. So let's set an alert threshold. So how do we want it? We want 20% percentage of budget. Yes. So yeah, actual. So it will give me a notification. Email will be good. So you put in your email. So put in your email address. It will confirm your email address. If you put in SNS alert, it will actually charge for that, just like an SMS. So if you put chatbot alert, it might also charge for that. I'm not sure, but this is good. So you can add alert threshold. So now we can add another one. 40%. Let's put 40% of budget. Email notification. Oh, let's copy that. Okay. So we can add another one. When it is 60%, add email notification. Add another threshold. When it is 80%, 80 budget amount and percentage of budget amount, put email notification, which is free. So that's it. You don't have to put 100%. 100% means that the whole budget is gone, isn't it? So we can do next. Attach. I'm using budget action. What is my budget action? Don't worry about it. If I need, okay, that's the summary of everything I've put, really. If I need a specific service, I can put it in here, but I don't think so. I don't think I need that. So let's go to next. Choose budget type. I've done all this. Yes, I've done all this. So the last step is to create that budget. Create that budget to ensure that your money is not going to disappear from your account, and also to ensure that you are not going to be receiving heavy billing at the end of the month. It is always safe and better, especially if you are a learner, if you are on your own, if you are not working for a specific company, you are using your own card, you're using your money. It is better to put in a budget so that it can regulate how much you are spending as you go along. So create budget. Yes, and your budget has been created successfully. After creating a budget, it can take up to 24 hours to populate all of your spend data. So my budget is successfully created, so yours will also be successfully created at this point. Just give it time, and that is done. There's nothing to worry about. So we can go to our management console or services. Let's go to services. And we can start whatever project that we want to do without having to fear or be scared of how much AWS is going to be deducting or charging per project. So there you go. That is how you can create a budget before you start any project on AWS platform. That way you are safe, your pocket is safe, your money is safe, and you have peace of mind as you go along. Email notifications will be sent as you incur more money or more debt, because the billing comes at the end of the month and you don't want to be in shock. So be safe, be active, be proactive in protecting your pocket. So I'll see you in another video.